Hello, welcome back to Learn Economy. In this video, we are going to look into banks, money, and the central bank. What are banks? A bank is a financial institution that helps in money supply in the economy. So it accepts deposit from the public and it creates a demand deposit while simultaneously making loans. Lending activities can be directly performed by a bank or indirectly it could be performed through capital markets. Because banks play a very important role in financial stability, the economy of a country play on a very large extent relies on banks. So banks face, we could see that since it is involved in a number of activity, banks in an economy could face a number of risks in order to conduct their business, and how well these all risks could be managed and understood is a key driver behind profitability, and how much capital a bank is required to hold would also be dependent upon the risk faced by these banks. What are the functions of banks? The banks issue money to the public and it involves in netting and settlement of payments, and also it helps in credit intermediation. That means that the banks borrow and lend back to their own account as middlemen. There is a lend back to back kind of facilities involved by the banks, and also it helps in credit quality improvement. Having understood what banks are all about, let's understand money, which is the main tool which is used by banks. So it is money is the basic asset which is made use by the bank. So it helps in money exchange, it credit creation, credit loans giving, everything involves the use of money. So what is money? Uh, Money is also known as currency, and this is something which people use to buy goods and services from the market. Money is what people receive from selling their own assets or things, and it is known as currency, cash, etc. And it is considered to be the measurement of an activity in small business, and it's an economic unit that functions as a generally recognized medium of exchange for transactional purposes in an economy. Money originates in the form of a commodity having a physical property to be adopted by market participants as a medium of exchange. Money is considered to be a very essential commodity that helps it to run the lives of people. Having said about money and banks, let's understand what central bank is. A central bank, which plays a very important role in the monetary and banking system of an economy, is responsible for maintaining financial sovereignty and economic stability of a nation, which help in the development of underdeveloped economies. It issues currency, regulates money supply, controls different interest rates in the economy, and it creates money through open market operation by purchasing securities in the market using new money, or by it creates bank reserves issued to the commercial banks. Bank reserves are then multiplied through fractional reserve banking, where banks can lend a portion of their deposits they have on hand. The central bank, in the case of India, it is Reserve Bank of India, it prints money, new money, while on the other hand, the commercial bank multiply the money supplied by the Reserve Bank. So I hope you understood a glimpse of what money, banks, and central bank are all about. So I'll be providing a detailed video on each of these concepts. This video is actually um, it was actually meant to give you an idea about all these three concepts. I hope you understood these three concepts. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and I welcome you to my Telegram group and Telegram channel to discuss your doubts. I'll be providing the links of the same in the description box. So thank you for watching.